Welcome to the heart of America as we uncover the hidden wonders of Nebraska. From vast prairies to rolling sand dunes, Nebraska offers a surprising diversity of landscapes. Join us as we journey through this heartland of America, encountering unique wildlife and uncovering the stories etched into the very land itself. Here in the heart of Nebraska, we find a landscape unlike any other. Stretching for hundreds of miles, the sandhills present a mesmerizing vista, a sea of grass rippling in the wind, punctuated by the crests of ancient sand dunes. These dunes, some towering over 300 feet, were born from the winds that swept across the plains millennia ago. The sandhills are a vital stopover point for migrating birds, their wetlands teeming with life. Sandhill cranes, with their distinctive trumpeting calls, gather here in their thousands, their elegant forms silhouetted against the setting sun. The porous, sandy soil makes water scarce, shaping the lives of the creatures that call this place home. Yet life persists, resilient and ever adaptable. This is a landscape that whispers tales of resilience, of adaptation, and of the enduring power of nature. Cutting a sinuous path through the heart of Nebraska, the Niobrara River is a lifeline for the creatures that inhabit this land. Its waters, reflecting the vastness of the sky above, meander through a tapestry of canyons, forests and prairies. The Niobrara was once a vital artery for Native American tribes, their presence still felt in the ancient trails that wind along its banks. Canoes glide silently through its waters, offering glimpses of river otters frolicking amongst the reeds and bald eagles soaring effortlessly overhead. The Niobrara is a testament to the enduring power of nature to heal and restore. As we journey along its banks, we are reminded that even in the face of adversity, life persists, finding a way to flourish in the most unexpected of places. Rising abruptly from the surrounding plains, the Pine Ridge region of Nebraska presents a startling contrast to the state's dominant landscape. Here, amidst the vast expanse of grasslands, stands Chadron State Park, an emerald isle in a sea of gold. Dominating the park is the Pine Ridge Escarpment, a rugged cliff face sculpted by millennia of erosion. Clinging to its slopes are dense forests of ponderosa pine, their aromatic scent filling the air. These forests offer a refuge for a unique array of wildlife, from mule deer to wild turkeys. Chadron State Park is a testament to the diversity of Nebraska's landscape, a reminder that even in the heart of the Great Plains, pockets of unexpected beauty await those willing to explore. Stretching across the heart of America, the Great Plains are a vast expanse of sky and grass, a landscape that seems to stretch on forever. Nebraska, nestled in the heart of this immense region, embodies the spirit of the plains, a land of boundless horizons and quiet beauty. Here the wind whispers tales of a time when vast herds of bison roamed free. Today, while their numbers have dwindled, the spirit of the bison lives on, a symbol of the wild freedom that defines this landscape. Look closely and you'll find a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Prairie dogs pop their heads from their burrows, their calls a constant chatter across the prairie. The Great Plains of Nebraska are a reminder that beauty can be found in the subtlest of details, in the whisper of the wind through the grass and the soaring flight of a hawk overhead. In the vast expanse of western Nebraska, where the only constant seems to be the never-ending horizon, lies a testament to human ingenuity and whimsy. Rising from the plains like a mirage is Carhenge, a quirky tribute to its ancient namesake, Stonehenge. This curious roadside attraction, crafted entirely from vintage American automobiles, stands in stark contrast to the natural wonders that surround it. 38 cars, painted a uniform grey, are carefully arranged in a circle, their hoods pointing skyward like some strange metallic prayer. While not a product of nature's hand, Carhenge has, in its own way, become a part of the Nebraska landscape. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across Carhenge, it takes on an almost ethereal quality. Rising dramatically from the plains of western Nebraska, Scotts Bluff stands as a silent sentinel, a testament to the dreams and hardships of those who journeyed westward in search of a new life. This imposing bluff, a landmark on the Oregon, Mormon and California trails, served as a beacon of hope for pioneers. The bluff, named for Hiram Scott, a fur trapper who met an untimely end in the area, served as a vital landmark for travelers. Visitors can walk in the footsteps of pioneers, following the well-worn wagon ruts etched into the landscape. From atop the bluff, the views are breathtaking, a sea of grass and sky, while the North Platte River winds its way through the landscape. Flowing silently through the heart of Nebraska, the Platte River is more than just a waterway. It's a liquid thread woven through the tapestry of American history. For centuries, the Platte River served as a vital artery for Native American tribes. They relied on its waters for sustenance, its banks providing a place to hunt, fish, and build their homes. With the arrival of European settlers, the Platte River became a vital artery for those seeking new beginnings in the West. The Oregon, Mormon, and California trails all followed the Platte River for a significant portion of their journey. Today, the Platte River remains a vital resource for Nebraska, providing water for irrigation and sustaining a diverse ecosystem. As we stand on the banks of the Platte River, we're reminded that its waters hold not just the reflection of the sky, but also the reflection of our shared history. On the shores of Lake McConaughey, a sprawling reservoir nestled in the heart of Nebraska's Panhandle, lies Cedar Point Biological Station, a haven for both scientific research and the pursuit of tranquility. This station, affiliated with the University of Nebraska, serves as a vital hub for the study of the region's unique flora and fauna. Lake McConaughey, often referred to as Nebraska's Little Ocean, provides a stunning backdrop for the station. Researchers at Cedar Point delve into the intricate workings of the local ecosystem, studying everything from the behavior of migrating birds to the impact of human activity on the environment. But Cedar Point is more than just a research facility. It's a place where visitors can reconnect with nature and experience the serenity of the Nebraska landscape. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the lake, Cedar Point transforms into a place of quiet beauty. Nestled amidst the rolling prairies of southeastern Nebraska, Homestead National Historical Park stands as a tribute to the indomitable spirit of the American pioneers. This park preserves the legacy of the Homestead Act of 1862, a landmark piece of legislation that shaped the destiny of the American West. The Homestead Act offered 160 acres of free land to anyone willing to settle and farm it for 5 years. Homestead National Historical Park tells their stories, sharing the triumphs and hardships of those who sought to carve a life from the prairie. Visitors to Homestead can step back in time, exploring the preserved homestead of Daniel Freeman, one of the first to claim land under the Act. Beyond the historical significance, Homestead National Historical Park offers a chance to experience the beauty of the Nebraska prairie. From the rolling sandhills to the wind-swept prairies, Nebraska has revealed its hidden treasures. We've journeyed through its diverse landscapes, encountered its unique wildlife, and uncovered the stories etched into its very soil. Whether you seek adventure in the great outdoors, a glimpse into the past, or simply a moment of quiet contemplation in the heart of America, Nebraska has something to offer everyone. We encourage you to venture beyond the well-trodden paths and discover the hidden gems that await in this often overlooked corner of the United States.